We have three main sectors when you are marketing, mainly dealer market, the institutional sector and the government sector. During the last financial year, we have noticed that the profitability of this industry went up. I think it's mainly due to the supply and demand position. There's a demand for cables, but due to less supply, due to shortage of dollars, we were managed to sell cables at a higher price, and due to indiscipline in the market, there was an extended credit period demanded by our customers. But with this scarcity, we have noticed that now we have limited our credit period or less than 30 days and reduced the discount around 15%. Sale of construction material is related to sale of cement. Due to shortage and scarcity of cement, even our cable sales have come down, mainly in the dealer market. All sectors, the demand went up in prices. But when we are selecting, we normally prefer to cater into the commercial sector because the margins are high and we can manage that. Cable industry, with those government initiatives, cable industry will do well mainly because of import restriction. Now no one can import cable, it's in the negative list. Port city coming up, there will be a demand for cable, especially industrial cable.